Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken fajita soup in the Instant Pot. Boy, does this look amazing. Let's get started. I want to give a shout out to Instant Pot Guru. I got this recipe from their website. With their permission, I did tweak it just a little bit. I'll leave a link down below where you can check out their Instagram and you can check out their website. I'm going to begin by turning my Instant Pot on Saute. And when it reads hot, then I will saute my onions and peppers. The Instant Pot is reading hot, so now I'm going to put in our peppers. I already have 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in the pot. I'm preparing our chicken as our peppers and onions are sauteing. Our peppers and onions are ready, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the saute button off. We're going to collect these for later. Now I'm going to add the chicken broth. The recipe calls for 3 cups, but I'm going to add 4 because I like my soup a little brothier. I'm going to add a can of fire roasted tomatoes, my seasonings, I'm going to add some diced jalapenos. We're going to mix this all together. Now I'm going to place the chicken inside. Let's turn the Instant Pot on pressure high or manual high. I've got it set for 10 minutes. Put the lid on. Make sure your sealing valve is unsealed. Now we're gonna let it do its thing. Our soup has cooked for 10 minutes and I've allowed it to do a self-release for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna do a quick release for the rest of it. The silver button has dropped down, so let's check our soup. Smells so good. I'm going to remove the chicken breast. Now I'm going to add black beans to our pot and some freshly squeezed lime juice. We're going to add our peppers and onions back to the mixture. I'm putting the lid back on just so that our beans and lime juice can heat up and get mixed in with everything else. I'm going to take 2 forks and shred the chicken breast. So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, then dinner will be ready. It's time for a taste test. That is delicious. I will tell you, because I have made it once before, it's better after it has been able to sit for quite some time. Like if you allow it to sit in your refrigerator overnight and then you reheat it tomorrow, it's really amazing because all the flavors have had time to just come together. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, show me some love by hitting that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.